if you've been thinking to change your Facebook account name, profile name, or even add a nickname, this is how you can do that from your Facebook app, either from your Android or iPhone. Now for that, open Facebook app. From menu, go to settings or this wheel icon, to personal and account information at the top, to name. But before changing it, please remember you can change your name once in just every 60 days. So choose wisely and according to Facebook rules. Now go ahead, change and set whatever you want for your Facebook profile. Press done. Now after that, tap on review change, and from this pop-up, tap on save for autofill purpose. Select which name you want to appear on your Facebook profile and put down your Facebook password to confirm the change, and then tap on save changes to confirm it. See, your name is just changed. Now if you want to add a nickname to your name, go back to personal account information, tap on name again, tap on add a nickname, and put down a nickname for you. If you want it to show at the top of your profile, just select this option. A little preview here. If you're okay with it, just go ahead, save it. So that's how you can change your name on your Facebook profile. Thanks a lot and take care.